Hey everyone, this is Ruth and welcome to another What's for Dinner episode. And for today's video, I prepare a one-dish meal recipe which involves chicken and vegetables. Okay, let's start by preparing our vegetables. The vegetables that we need for this certain recipe are beans, potatoes, and carrots. When slicing the vegetables, I suggest that you slice them into bite size so you won't be having any difficulty cooking these in the oven. The next step is seasoning our chicken. First thing is add your lemon. It depends how much lemon you want to put, but here I was just using half of one piece. And then after that, I added 1 teaspoon of salt, paprika, black pepper, and then coriander seed. I also added 1 spoonful of olive oil, and then after that, this should be ready to be mixed. Now it's time to transfer the chicken into the pan. And also for this recipe, you'll be needing minced garlic, coriander, and of course dill. Once those herbs are ready, you can add a little bit of olive oil in the container. I'm just using the same container here. After that, we are going to put the other vegetables here like potatoes, carrots, and beans. And of course, we should also season this with black pepper, salt, paprika, and coriander seed. You can also add a little bit more of olive oil if you think it's needed. Now it's time to add the vegetables into the pan together with the chicken. This should be ready for cooking. As you guys can see, there are no beans there yet because I'm saving it for later. I just don't want it to be really overcooked. Also, don't forget to add some butter. So this is it, and this should be ready for baking. Don't forget to cover this with some foil. After 45 minutes of cooking, it's time to add our beans and then put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes. If you wish to add more seasoning, now is the time. I actually added more paprika here because I want my chicken to be a bit more red. And this is it, guys. It's ready, and yes, this is how it looks when it's cooked. Try this at home with your family, and I'm sure everyone would love this recipe. And this is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, and also don't forget to leave us a comment down below. I hope to see you guys in our next vlog. Bye bye. That's my food. That's Daddy's food. And that's Ella's food. And Ella's just gonna eat with me. Yeah, love. Ready for your dinner? What's that face? Okay, let's eat now.